Hey everyone, Grant here. Just wanted to show you one of our featured products here at Langston Motorsports, brought to you by Rugged. This is an air purifier for UTVs. Pretty easy to install. You could do it yourself or bring it here to Langston Motorsports where we can do it for you. When you're riding out here in the southwest part of the country, a lot of desert, especially riding with friends, getting some clean air or some fresh air in your helmet can be very difficult. Highly suggest one of these. Once you've tried it, you'll never know how you drove around without one before. And of course you need the setup to plug it in. Bell, and I'm sure others make it nice, simple intake here. Get that fresh air across the face, help you breathe in dusty conditions. But there's also an option to take it to the next level. You're gonna love this, and that would be the Maglock Air. This thing is pretty trick. You can tell, very magnetic. You have your roof mount, go to the helmet. It seals 100%. Very easy, very quick. In fact, also a safety feature, and it will be implemented in IndyCar and NASCAR in the near future. So try these out. I think it's one of those, you didn't know you really wanted one until you've tried it.